for the exams tomorrow, dapat alam na. So, yun isa. Baka naman naisip ko lang yun. Kasi kung walang pasihan yun, at gagawa mo agad ng paraan, baka naman hindi tama o hindi ko ba yung gagawa mo.
Nutrition is very essential in nutrition and fitness, but the question is what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat, and I will be giving you tips on how to decide on these things. Okay, and my goal is also want to avoid to just want to make vitamins and minerals. And marami siyang functions inside our body. Basically, regulatory functions. There are vitamins that or sensitivity. Nag-burn tayo ng carbs. Of course, estimate the amount of water loss during the day. Okay, so para naman yan, when we talk about post-training meals, and this is how you can estimate the average, or well, an average that we can for athletes. Pero meron yung tinatawag na indicators that it should be, what we add yung volume related swim, which is 1 to 1. And yung amount na nakikita natin, i-divide lang natin by the and for the fasting high intensity also. And caffeine. Caffeine is also one of the
nutrition to nourish our body, hindi tayo mag-gain. Okay? So, very clear yun. Hindi rin tayo mag-lose if you eat more fat rather than free food or high fiber diet. So, both ends meet. Saka yun. Okay? Number 2, before I go on to anything, so number 3, I will go now on training. And explain yung nadami kanina, nadami ng mga ibang certified speakers, yung mga methodologies natin, teaching the therapist kanina, they are active mental knowledge. Okay? Alright, so timer start now.
Together with us, we have a specialist
for that particular sports for a living. They get salary, they get paid. Okay? Now, well, a lot
would be very important for you to do this to them. So this again, group-based versus home-based activities, and not just fixed on their computers or television sets. Now also in children, the television viewing leads to improved body mass in children as well. So if you're
more fast food, more snacks, there are lots of snack foods, overeating because of anxiety, which and media and technology plays a very vital role, especially for children. They can